Hello friends, now I'm going to show you some most important function of the WinCC about to remote control the PC when you are using the WinCC SCADA. Okay, so what we can do when we are using WinCC SCADA and someone want to control or monitor the PC from the remote network. Okay, so I will explain you with the use of this local network. So to generate the local network, my laptop is connected with the Redmi mobile, and I have mobile that is also connected with the same Redmi mobile. So my Samsung mobile and my laptop is connected with the, we can say, Redmi mobile. Okay, now I want to say that how I can connect the smart server and how I can configure it. So I will say add network. Okay, in add network I will write WinCC runtime advanced. Okay, here I will connect industrial Ethernet. Okay, now I will go to the runtime setting and I will also add one screen here. Okay, in the screen I will add one the bar, okay, slider, and I will define one local tag here in the local memory. I will say temperature. Okay, I will say temperature, and I will say okay, this is my one tag, and we will monitor this one from the outside network. Okay, now in the runtime setting, the start screen is automatically set, and I will remove this full screen mode. Okay, rest is the same, and in the service I have to enable the smart server. Okay, so when you enable this smart server and when you compile it, it will all the configuration, all things will be configured. Now what to do? Now I will start the simulation here. So when you start the simulation, now you can monitor it and you can change the value. Now one thing you will observe at the taskbar, you can see here, when I open this taskbar, the satellite type symbol came here. And what does it mean? It means that it has using the IP address my local network of the Redmi mobile. Okay, you can see here the satellite is showing, satellite smart server like symbol is showing two IP address 192.168.137 and 1, and the second IP address is 192.168.43.235. Okay, so what I will do is I will just use the second number IP address 192.168.43.235 because that is the my Wi-Fi network. Okay, of the Redmi mobile that my laptop and my PC is connected same on that network. So before we go to the mobile, I will also do some changes here in the smart server. I will assign the IP password of 1234 here, and I will assign 12345. Here you can check view only or view only. Okay, I will keep both, not view only. Okay, and in the second thing, it's polling. We will not do anything. Here the setting area is full desktop or primary display. So let's say primary display. Okay, and query and administrator. So you have to assign here some password here to access the all features of the software. So I will assign 4567 the password here. Okay, in the certificate we will not use it right now. I will say okay. So the smart server is configured. Now I will go to the mobile and I will explain you how to download the application. So when you open the Play Store, you have to write here smart server Siemens. The other application will be come here, so you have to install the first one, this one, So I have already installed it. Now I will open it. So when you open the we can say application, it will first time ask the password. So I have already set the password 12345. Okay, and I will say login. Okay, and I will say okay. Now you have to add the HMI. Okay, so I will keep the same name which I have used in the project, HMI underscore RD underscore 1. So I want to also explain you here, and here you can see my name is HMI underscore RT underscore 1. Okay, so I have write the same. I will say 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say login. Now here I will write the IP address of the smart server 192.168.43.235. Are you getting my point? The port number is by default we will tick, and I will press the this profit is save. Okay. So after save, you have to click here in the round shape button. This is round shape button, and it will say the collect. So when you press this, it will check available smart server, and it is written here that it will take some time. Okay, so if your network is slow, then it is possible that it can take some time to communicate. Okay, so it is asking that after place OK, it will ask what is the connection password. So I have to write 1 2 3 4 5, and I will say OK. So it will connect it now, and you can see here my mobile is showing the uh, screen of the laptop. So what I will do, I will just remove this, and I will take the TIA portal. So now you can see that my server is directly connected to my smart client. Okay, now here what I will do, I will just open the uh, WinCC runtime from the mobile. You can see I am not moving my arrow. My arrow is at the same time, but I can also able to access the WinCC runtime from the mobile. So here, so I will just change the value from the mobile. You can see my arrow is not moving. So now I am able to access the value from the mobile. So I'm changing the value from the mobile. You can see here. Okay. Now second thing I want to explain, that when your smart client, if your smart client is connected, then you cannot access the mouse. Okay, your mouse will be stopped. You can see I'm changing the value, but I could not change it because my laptop mouse is changed. Okay, and one thing I want to explain you here, that I am opening some icon from the taskbar. So you can see when I open the taskbar value, sorry, this is open, yes, you can see when I'm opening the taskbar menu, you can see the smart server symbol is changed. Before it was gray, now it is showing red and yellow. So it is meaning that your smart server is directly connected to the you can see your mobile. So it's working, and again I'm going to change the value of the this slider from the mobile, you can see I am now accessing the value. So it's very important that you understand this, we can say, understand this theory of communication, that how we can create the local network and how to set it, some setting of the smart server here. Okay, you need to assign the passwords here, otherwise what will happen, you could not access this value from the network. Okay, so I will stop here, and it is all about the smart server and smart client application. So I have closed the application, and you can see the symbol also changed now from the connected to not connected icon. Okay, so this is all about some smart server. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.